In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Cupert Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now let's use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text. Now to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to edit any of your clips, hold it and tap on Edit. Then make your changes and hit Save. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on Delete. If you want to manage multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, select all of them and operate those two icons, Pin or Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!